Hey guys, Justin here with another foundation repair tip of the day. Today we're tackling an important question. How can you tell if your floors are uneven? Well, you might be surprised to find that there are some simple ways to spot it before it becomes a bigger issue. So, let's jump right in. Hey guys, Justin here with another foundation repair tip of the day. Today we're tackling an important question. How can you tell if your floors are uneven? Well, you might be surprised to find that there are some simple ways to spot it before it becomes a bigger issue. So, let's jump right in. One surefire way is to check the classic ball test. Take a small ball, a ping pong ball, or even a golf ball, and set it down on the floor. If it rolls in any direction, that's a clear sign that your floor isn't level. If your floor has a significant slope, you'll actually feel it when you walk around. You might find yourself walking downhill in one area or even walking uphill in another. Or you might notice that you're leaning to one side while moving through your home. Sometimes it's even subtle. You might not notice the slope until you trip or stumble. So if you're feeling a bit off balance or noticing cracks or squeaks underfoot, it's a good idea to check for uneven floors. Another sign to look for is gaps between your baseboards and the floor. As floors shift, these small gaps can form, especially in areas where the floor is lower than it should be. Now, these signs are usually a symptom of something bigger, foundation problems. When your foundation isn't level, your floors often aren't either, and that can lead to serious issues down the line if not addressed. So, why shouldn't you ignore uneven floors? For one, they pose a tripping hazard, which is a real concern if you have kids, elderly family members, or anyone with mobility issues. Uneven floors can also be a sign of foundation settlement, poor soil conditions, water damage, or even termite infestations. These issues will only worsen over time and can lead to more extensive and costly repairs. If you notice any of these signs, like cracks in the walls or misaligned doors, it's time to get a professional foundation inspection. The sooner you address the issue, the better. So, what do you do if you've confirmed your floors are uneven? The best course of action is to have a foundation expert address the situation. Depending on the cause, they might suggest options like installing piers to stabilize the foundation or replacing deteriorated support posts in your crawl space. And while DIY fixes may seem tempting, like using self-leveling compounds or adding new flooring, they rarely address the root cause of the problem. In fact, they often make it worse. So, if you're noticing any of these signs in your home, don't wait. Reach out to a professional foundation repair company to get a thorough assessment and ensure your home stays safe and level for years to come. That's all for today's foundation repair tip of the day. Be sure to check your floors for those early signs of unevenness, and remember, the sooner you catch those issues, the better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. For expert help, contact Dalinghaus Construction today. You can visit us online at dalinghausconstruction.com or give us a call at 877-360-9227 to schedule a free foundation evaluation. See you next time.